Hello ma'am, hello sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Sumarni. I am 47 years old. My status is widow. I have two sons. Number one, 29 years old. Number two, 24 years old. My last education, junior high school. My religion is Muslim. My weight is 633 kg. My height is 151 cm. I got experience before working in Singapore for 14 years. My job is take care children, cleaning, marketing, and clean of the house. I can cook simple Chinese food, like example, steamed fish, steamed chicken, soup, and fried vegetable. Now I want to go Singapore because I want to get more money for my family and my future. Thank you ma'am. Thank you sir. See you in Singapore. Bye bye.